All right, in today's sponsor video, I'll be like them YouTubers, is Arsenio, and today I'm doing a review on these Suprent Pro Black Obsidian Combo Clipper Trimmer Set. Boom. I'm gonna be testing these out at work, and then I'm gonna come back and give you all the details on them. Go for $189 on their website. If you use Arsenio 25, you save 25% off. So literally after the discount code, it comes out to like $143. You can't beat that with this set. It's basically like $70 each clipper. You can't beat that. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and I'm gonna show you what comes inside. All right, here we go. The official unboxing of this set. Cut it right there. Cut it right there. All right. Am I supposed to take this off? Break this off. All right, that comes off. The run times, charging time, battery capacity. It says 3-hour charge time and 3-hour running time on the trimmer. 7,000 RPM, and the clipper same, 3-hour and 3-hour for running and charging time. How this thing's up. Ooh, nice. Okay, packaging is nice. Accessories are at the bottom of the package. All right, packaging is nice. Here's the trimmer. They feel nice. Suprent Pro Blade. Check that out. Feel nice. You hear them? That should feel good. Straight out the box. 87 minutes, I believe it reads 87 minutes runtime left with no charge, straight out of the box. I just went down one. Pretty sure you gotta let it charge fully before using them. But so far they feel good. The ergonomics, the feeling of holding, they feel pretty good. Set those aside. Now with the clipper, oh, it has a click lever. They feel pretty good. Suprent Pro Blade on it. Pretty nice. This one is at 79 minutes left, power left, but they're pretty quiet. They feel good. Not too heavy. Do they come zero gapped? No, pretty close, but I'm pretty sure you can zero gap these. Overall, it feels like a very good clipper. They remind you of another clipper, which everybody knows which ones they are. All right, next, charging stand. I ain't gonna lie, this charging stand's pretty. Not gonna lie, this charging stand feels pretty solid. That's probably either for the clipper. Bam. Next one. They feel pretty good. Look at that. It's gonna look nice on my station. All right, next up, unboxing this. Accessories. It lets you know. Now they got more stuff in here. All right, I'll take this out. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Some clipper guards. The half all the way to number 6. Let's open this up. I would say they feel very plastic. See how they clip on. You gotta kind of force it in there. I'm pretty sure over time when you use it, it softens up, but I mean it's firm on there. It's not coming off, so you ain't gotta worry about, you know, that one half guard. You gotta hold it, you know, like this, because you know it could fall off. That happened to me one time in barber school. Not paying attention, was going with the grain, and I chopped the dude's head off. I mean, it feels pretty solid. These trimmer guards, I'll never use these. Comes with a tools, screwdriver. It's pretty cool. You can adjust, maybe change. Yeah, got like a little Allen key. You can change these bolts, maybe open it up, clean them up inside. That's pretty cool. And obviously the screwdriver to, if you want to zero gap and adjust the blade, you can do that. A little brush, a little bit of oil, and then 2 charging cables. USB. You can charge them like this, or you can put them in the back of the charging stand and bam, charge them up. Also, to clean your clipper, this comes off. Oh snap, I thought I broke it. Well, that's pretty cool. You know, sometimes with other clippers, you know, it's hard to clean inside these blades, and if you know, you would have to have a air compressor to really get in there and get all the hair out. I wonder if the trimmer also comes off. Nope, that one's stuck there pretty solid. This pretty solid clippers and trimmer. Click lever. All right, after running with this set for the day, my honest opinion is that they do its work. The debulk process using the clipper was pretty good. You have to go over it a few times, but it's just like any other clipper or when you're cutting hair. The clipper cuts through thick and coarse hair effortlessly. It's smooth, powerful, and it doesn't snag. And to be honest, my first negative, I would say that I'm not a fan of the guards for the clippers, so I suggest using another brand of your liking that might work best for you. And I ran with these, you know, just how they came out of the box. Didn't zero gap them, clipper or trimmer. As you can see with this cut right here, it debulked pretty good. Trimmers, I would say, are top notch. Runtime with the clippers and trimmer, I didn't have no issues. You get 2 charging stands, so when you're using one, the other one is charging, vice versa. There shouldn't be an issue with the battery running out. I will also recommend not to leave them charging all day. Give them a break if they stay in the higher percentage of battery, you know, so that way they can expand the life of the batteries. As you can see here, I'm shaping them up and they're leaving some crispy lines. After using the clipper and trimmer for the whole day, I did not feel them get hot. When you let them rest while you're using the either or, you spray them down with cool care and let them sit so it gives them a chance to cool and not get overused as to taking forever with the haircut, because clipper work should be between 15-25 minutes tops, depending on the hair texture and style. And when it comes to the shape up, it should be between 5 to 10 minutes, depending if you're doing a beard or not. The set did its job and keeping up with every type of cut, so there shouldn't be no issues with them getting hot, because you know you're not using them on for hours of the day. You're letting them rest in between. The sound of the clipper and trimmer are very minimal. I would compare them to most new clippers that have came out in the recent years. The ergonomics of the set also wasn't bad. They feel pretty comfortable. It's all up to your preference on how you hold the clipper and trimmer and how you feel most comfortable. As you can see, I did 4 different types of hair texture and they ran pretty good. On this one, I was able to throw in a little design in the back too with the trimmers, and they cleaned up pretty well. Overall, it's a good set for anyone starting out or on a budget, or you want to use at home for yourself. As I said previously, you can use Arsenio 25 to get 25% off, and they will come out to like 143. The link will be in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you'll pick these up for yourself. Peace.